SERV stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Serve Robotics stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. When I'm looking at it, all I want to see is really to take this thing even higher. Like the way that I'd really approach this market is I want to see a double break. And that double break, like really in reality, is going to be just the price breaking above these highs. It has to be these highs because this is what's holding the price down from a 1-hour chart as well. So you see, you know, we kind of got some green candles, but it just was never it, you know. So yeah, the way that I would approach SCRV is just still wait it out, you know. So what I'm going to do, just move this here, and just wait. It's still, I mean, it says pretty much clearly that I'm waiting for the rules to be met, because now it's in a no man's land. Like every time the price doesn't really have a great, you know, traction or confirmation met, it's just a no man's land. I mean, pretty much means that I'm waiting, you know. So that's my opinion. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, that's previously delivered thousands of predictions, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will be seeing you in the next one.